Hello guys, I'm going to change the right headlight of the Opel Corsa D from Building Gear 2012. You see on this side it works just fine. This is the normal headlight and this is the big one. And here you see the normal headlight isn't shining, so we're going to change the lamp. I have already bought one. H7 Osram. So we see we have to change this one, and if you see, it will be this one we have to open, but you don't have enough space, so I'm going to take off the upper side of the air filter housing to have more place to replace the lamp. So we take the Torx 25 and we unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And then we can see also how dirty the Can filter is, because now we're in the year 2018, so it has been 2 years ago that the filter has been cleaned, so we have to do that also. So the fourth and the last bolt, and at the left side we have to click it out. You see it's underneath here, so we have to take this one so out of it. So with a 7, we're also unscrewing this. So that's enough. And then we can take away the upper side. So you can see 2 years, there's toch a bit of dirt on it, and also a few leaves, so we will clean it with a vacuum cleaner. Still we haven't enough place to replace the lamp, so I will take out also underside of the airbox. That's with no bolts. You only have to pull it up and it will come out. But also the intake here we have to make loose, and then we have place enough. So we can pull on the airbox and it will come out. So we can take this off also. So now you see the 3 points where the underside is fastened, this one and 2 at the left side. So it's in rubbers, this one. So you just have to pull it in this way and then this one beneath, and also connecting this part. So now we can take off this part. So and now we can take off the lamp. So but now we can take out the lamp. It's just by pulling on the inside. So you can put your hand in it and you pull on the lamp. You can see so this is the position. The lamp was inside of here. So this part has to be on the upper side. And we see that this one is broken. And place it in. So this is the new one. This is the correct position. And now we're going to place it in. And then we can connect the electricity. This one we have to pull up, and then we can close it back up. So that's been done. And now we can place this part back on. First we have to put it here in. And then this part back on. So it's okay now. Now we can connect this to the rubber hose. Just pushing it up. It's okay, and now do one on the side. And also the intake. Put it in the intake. In the intake and then at the side. So now we have the 3 parts in the right position. This one is in the rubber, this one is in the rubber, and this one also. So we can push now. So the intake has been mounted correctly, and the 3 parts are in the rubbers. So the underside is okay. Now I'm going to clean the air filter, the can in, and then we can put it back in. We put this one up, this one on it, and the lamp will be fine, the works will be done. So I have cleaned the air filter. We can put it in now. And now we take this part. First we have to do this underneath the 3 points here, and then we can screw the 4 bolts back on. So that's okay, this part. Back on. You can see this is the right position, this part here. So now screwing it back on it. And the last bolt. Now this one. So everything is back on, and the lamp is fixed now. Thanks for watching, guys. Fixed again.